These are the easiest steps to making passive income on YouTube. In fact, I know creators that are generating anywhere from $60,000 to $100,000 per month using these same steps. I'm going to show you how to do this without breaking the bank. With that being said, let's get right into it. Step 1. Finding a niche. Find something you're good at, which you would want to base your channel around. For example, if you have interest in playing video games, you could create a gaming channel where you post your gaming videos. Or if you're interested in tech and gadgets, you could create a tech review channel where you review gadgets and give honest opinions about them. And if you're not sure what you want your channel to be about, don't worry, I'll leave the link to a document that contains the best niches in the description, so you can check them out and see which one works best for you. Step 2. Write a script. You're gonna do this right now and not overthink it, because the longer you wait, the longer you're not making money, which is what you want to get out of this, right? Just open Google Docs and start writing to your heart's content. I mean, you've definitely watched a YouTube video before, so just kind of try to draw from past videos you've seen and try to keep some kind of story or flow going throughout, just so you can keep the viewer hooked. Writing a script could be difficult sometimes because you might run out of ideas or not know what to write about. Here's where ChatGPT comes in. You can use this AI tool to generate compelling scripts. If you're stuck and don't know what to write, just give it a prompt and it solves the problem for you. Step 3. Find video editing software. A lot of YouTubers would recommend that you use AI video editing software. Don't do that. While it may simplify things, no AI tool can make a video like you can. Everyone has a different editing style. You can use free software like CapCut and DaVinci Resolve, which are great for beginners. Moving on to step 4, which is to record your voiceover. Now, if you don't have a microphone, your phone works just fine. Try to find a quiet place so that there isn't a ton of background noise while you record. There's a good AI tool called Adobe Podcast that can make your phone-recorded voice sound professional. And if you don't want to record your own voice, you can use text-to-speech AI tools like 11 Labs or Speechify. Just copy your script and paste it on the software, and it will generate human-like voiceovers for you. Step 6. Editing videos. Now, I won't lie to you and say that editing is easy, because it's really not. But just like any new skill, the more you do it, the better you're gonna get at it. Just whatever you do, don't throw away thousands of dollars on a course. You have the entire internet at your fingertips, and YouTube can teach you more than most courses can, to be honest. Editing is tough, but it gets easier if you don't try too hard. I spend hours on my videos, sometimes even days. If you don't have a computer, you can edit on your phone, but it's best on a computer if you have one. Step 7. Creating thumbnails. This is crucial because people will look at the thumbnail before clicking on your video. Honestly, creating thumbnails is also really hard, but just like editing, it's gonna get easier the more you keep doing it, so don't get too frustrated. You can create thumbnails in free softwares like Canva and Photopea. I keep mentioning how you can find everything on YouTube because it's true, including thumbnail creation. Your first thumbnails might not be great, but they'll improve with practice, and when that's done, you're ready to publish your first video. When you upload a video, there are two possibilities. It does well or poorly. If it does well, congratulations. If it does poorly, don't give up. It's normal for the first video. Just keep uploading videos regularly. Eventually, you'll find yourself monetized, which is really good for you. Unfortunately though, YouTube's ad revenue when you're first starting is as close to poverty as it gets. But it'll get you started, and eventually, you'll hit your first $1,000 month. Which leads me to the last and final step. Negotiating brand deals. In many videos, YouTubers mention sponsors with phrases like,
"This video is sponsored by..."
These sponsorships are where the real money is. I'll cover this more in another video, but here's a quick overview. Companies might want a 30-second shout-out, a full ad read, or for you to use their product throughout the video. Prices vary based on the integration type, but as your channel grows, more companies will reach out to you, and securing brand deals will become easier. Sometimes you might even reach out to companies directly. Initially, your ad revenue might be minimal, but a brand deal could earn you between $100 and $200, depending on your channel's size and niche. As you grow, your ad revenue and brand deals will increase, leading to great growth for your channel. Don't miss out on YouTube automation as a business model. Your life will be different in a few months if you start now.